Hi guys, happy Monday, happy April. We never thought March would end. I just wanted to touch base with you all again, put out our weekly recording, and just kind of have a little chat, I guess, to myself, but with all of you listening today. Just kind of regrouping and bringing it all back together. I know a lot changed in our district last week, day to day. I had meetings all day on Friday after the announcement that we would not be returning for the remainder of the semester on Thursday. We all found out the same time as you all, so it definitely was something to adjust to. It really hit me hard. Just because I miss you guys. I miss being in the classroom every day. I miss being able to explain things to you. I miss being able to tell you guys stories. I miss your guys' questions, your insight, your perspective. And I'm really, really brokenhearted for our seniors. I'm so very sorry that this is how your high school career is ending and how your spring semester is ending. And my heart definitely goes out to the spring athletes. And just really, really thinking about you guys this week. I really, really miss you guys. So please do not hesitate to reach out if you need anything personally or especially academically, whether it's for my class or another class. I know we're all definitely adjusting this week now that we know that this is our new temporary normal, trying to figure out how to finish out the semester. I've gotten quite a few notes, quite a few emails, and again, just after your initial assignment when we started online class, I feel the stress. I know that you guys, this is not the normal schedule for you, and many of you have said, you miss being at school. It's definitely not the same learning over a computer and not having that interaction and really trying to teach yourselves a lot of these things. And so I really admire you guys. Really want you guys to hang in there. Just take one thing at a time, one day at a time, and really just try your best. That's all we're asking. Just try your best and don't hesitate to ask for help. Communicate with your teachers if you need extensions, and really just keep us up to date on what you guys are going through, how you're feeling, and how work is going. Many of you should have gotten the email, and all parents should have gotten an email last week about kind of the changing requirements. We really are trying to scale back and not roll out to you guys each week what we would be doing in the classroom just because of the sheer amount of stress and just the different environment. So really my goal, especially the next 2 weeks, is to just kind of pare it down to the essential learning about finances. I so wish we were in the classroom because this is so important, especially right now. I would absolutely be having assignments and discussions and guest speakers and more interactions about your financial decisions and your financial future, but we can't do that. So just down to the basics for today, as you guys are looking at your screen. This is the week of the 6th through the 10th. This is just a note-taking week. So I have posted on Google Classroom notes for budgeting, paychecks, and investing. And again, this is just the basics. We could spend an entire year talking about all of these things, and some of you may get your future degrees in finance. But what I've done is there are 3 slideshows and then 3 skeleton notes attached. And I would like you guys to go through those slideshows, fill out those notes just this week. Okay, again, budgeting, paychecks, and investing. Next week, so not this week, next week, your one task will be to take your open note finance quiz on Socrative. So next Monday, I will post another video, just shout out saying, hey, kind of explaining things, highlighting the main points that you need to focus on. But then my goal for you guys is to use those 3 note guides to complete your Socrative quiz. Okay, the quiz will be open all week. You guys will have next Monday through Friday to complete it. using your notes. So as far as today goes, you are listening to this video, you're getting logged in on Google Classroom, and then you guys have the rest of this week to complete those 3 note guides. Please take a special note and look at Friday, April 10th. This was already scheduled as a day off for all of us. So I really want you guys to focus to try to get this done today, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So you guys do not have to do anything, for my class at least, school related on Friday. Try to get outside, try to FaceTime somebody that you care about, read a book, do a craft, go for a walk, do an in-home workout, paint something, write something, listen to good music, play some video games, take a nap, meditate, have a meal with the people that you live with. Try to do something fun and something not school related and something for yourself on Friday. That is my homework for you guys. And then if you all celebrate Easter, having a wonderful Easter Sunday, however that may look with the people in your family, or try to connect with people over technology. And then just hopefully to de-stress you guys, you will have an open note quiz and you'll have all next week to complete that. So that's all I have for you guys as far as school goes today, but just wanted to remind you all, I miss you. I'm thinking of you. I hope that school is going as best as possible. I hope that you guys are creating some sort of daily schedule for yourself. The email that went out to everybody last week, our goal is to try to have 4 hours or less every day for you guys to be working on school, whether that's watching lectures, listening, and completing notes, completing assignments and homework. So please, if you are noticing that every single day you are having to really grind and spend more than 4 hours each day on your schoolwork, please reach out to us as teachers. Let us know how we can help you. Let us know how we can condense things. Let us know how we can help you de-stress, because this is such a crazy time anyways. The last thing we want to do is make it any more stressful or any more pressure or any more worse off for mental health than it already is. Okay, so I hope you guys have a wonderful week. The weather's supposed to be nice this week. I hope that these notes resonate with you a little bit. I'm sure there's been a lot of discussions, and I know a lot on the news, about finances and about savings and about being smart about your financial future. And as you guys were doing career research, and as you guys are getting your first jobs or second jobs and looking into what you want to do with your future, this stuff is really, really useful. So I'm very sorry I can't be with you all in person to explain this more over a 2-week period. But if I can just get the basics out to you, I have a little note here. Try having dinner conversations with your household members about these topics this week. See what their insight is. See what their experience with this is. Simply because they're older, they've had more time, they have more experience with this. And this is a good topic right now, especially to talk about just financial stability and mechanisms, coping mechanisms and tips and tricks when it's not stable, and kind of how to deal with that. And so I just want to give you the tip of the iceberg, a little taste of all of this as you guys continue to grow and to learn and to progress in your working world, and to become independently reliable for your finances, your bills, and your future. So hang in there. We got this. It's week 13. We can do it. Okay. Stay positive, stay happy, stay physically healthy, stay mentally healthy. Make sure you guys are getting some good sleep and some good snacks. Hope you guys are enjoying all of your shows on Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, whatever you all are watching and being entertained with right now. There's definitely some interesting stuff out there. So have a wonderful week. I miss you guys. I'm thinking of you guys. You're doing great. Keep it up. Please reach out. Let me know what you all need, and I will talk at you very, very soon. Okay? Be kind, wear your seatbelt, make smart choices. Have a great Monday. Bye-bye.